coming to you guys with a quick show and tell. Today's video is brought to you by glamourtress.com. So the wig that I chose to review for you guys today is Model's JESTIC. And the color that I have JESTIC in is, I believe it's B02202. If I'm mistaken, I'll put it on the screen and in the description box for you guys. So the color on this wig, to me, it reminds me of like an OM 430p. It starts off with like a number 2 as the root. I know this is probably not showing up that well. Shows up as like a number 2 at the root, and then it has like chocolate brown like highlights throughout. So it's a very pretty color. I saw this wig on, I think her name is Paris Harley, if I'm not mistaken. I saw it on her about a month and a half ago or so, and when I saw her wear it, I definitely wanted to try it, and to try it in the color that she had. Since then, I've seen some other people review it as well, and it looks nice on them. This is just like my typical like go-to style, like a side part with barrel curls. And this one's not that long. Well, to me anyway. I'm 6 feet tall, and this falls about, I want to say about 18 inches. So that's where it falls on me. And this is what it looks like in all directions. So this wig comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This wig does not come with any lace to cut, which can be a pro and a con. It's a pro because obviously you don't have to take that extra step and cut the lace, but it does have a con to, it has a con to those kinds of wigs because you can get a lot of demarcation a lot easier. And I was trying to be extra and cut a V into this, and I cut it too wide, but it still worked out. Like the V I cut was too wide. You can cut a V into wigs like this that don't have lace, and it'll work out just fine, but I cut mine a little bit too wide. But I camouflaged it using powder, like face powder, and black matte eyeshadow around the part in space. Yeah, so the part in space to me is okay. The style is very beautiful. I do have some shedding, but I did kind of do some manipulation to the part in space a little bit. I don't have any tangling yet. Well, a little bit. I mean, I get some snags, honestly. Yeah, this is my second time wearing this wig, so I do get some snags running my hands through the wig, so it does tangle. And the density is like, it's a good density. It's not super thick, so it's probably really good for this time of year. It's not like a Nisha or something like that. It has good density, but it's not like too thin. Like I don't feel any tracks. It just has a nice natural density. Shedding, tangling. The texture of it is a yucky texture, so it has like a natural luster to it. The pros, it's a beautiful style, it's a beautiful color, and it's a nice length. This is a very wearable length to me. But the cons of this wig, this is like a typical style that I go for, but the structure to me of this wig is not that great as far as like the front part of it. I just like wigs that have lace on them because they lay flatter to your scalp, and it's easier to blend and look natural. And this one has a lot of filler hairs like right here, and this was a problem I ran into with the wig Madani that I reviewed at the end of 2016. It was just too much filler hairs, and it just looked artificial. Now this one is not as bad as Madani is, but it's just a lot of filler hairs at the front of the wig, and so much so you kind of have to push the wig behind your hairline so it doesn't look too artificial. But I feel like I did a pretty good job of putting the wig behind my hairline and it looking natural. So yeah, if you do get this wig, just know about the filler hairs. and you're gonna get some hump action right here. That's the only place the wig has this is the only place where the wig has the filler hair. So if you are interested in this wig, you know, keep that in mind. And I will leave links in the description box to where you guys can purchase this wig. I want to thank Glamtress for sending me this wig to review for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned because I'm way behind on videos, so I'm going to be pumping out a lot of videos in May. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.